Hey there guys, my name is Joe Miller from Up Before the Red Line, and today I have a 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. This is Ford CARFAX. So if you look at the inside, you have the sport black cloth interior, sport shifter in there. It does come with all-weather floor mats. This truck in particular does have heated seats and navigation as part of the 302A package. If you take yourself to the back seat, you can see how much room the F-150 gives you for you and your family. Maybe you have a dog in the back. Put the seat up. You have enough room for storage. And then working our way to the back, we do have the power rear slider on the back glass with our defrost. And the biggest thing with the F-150 with this one is it does have a hydraulic tailgate. So working the way around the truck, it gives you the sport appearance look with the two-tone rims and the black vehicle. Alrighty guys, if you have any questions or any of our other vehicles, feel free to stop out and visit us at 3250 Cape Horn Road in Red Line, Pennsylvania, 17356. Ask for myself, Joe Miller, and I'll be sure to take good care of you. My direct line is 717-881-4423. Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.